Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first time recording on my new phone, so I hope the quality's good. I have made a new intro because all my old photos and stuff did get deleted when I got this new phone, so I hope that's okay. Let's see. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to do crochet and all the basic stitches, how to do chains. I'm only going to show you how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. It's single crochet and a double crochet. Those are the two things that I'm going to be showing you how to do today. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make a magic ring. So obviously you're going to need a piece of yarn. I just took this piece of yarn because this is long enough for what I'm going to be showing you to do. And you're going to need a hook. I'm just using this plastic hook. I don't really have a size on it, but yeah. So if you want to see some more videos on how to do crochet, well then just comment below. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking my yarn, and I'm going to be making a magic ring right now. So you're going to take your yarn, you're just going to leave the end of it like that, and you're going to wrap it around 2 fingers and make an X. Hold on. It's not really look like, that doesn't look like an X. But you're going to wrap it around your fingers and make an X, just like that. And now you're going to go take your hook, go under this piece of yarn right here, and take this piece of yarn right there and pull it through onto your hook like that. You're going to let go of what was around your hands and hold that with like some of your fingers from this hand. Then you're going to take the yarn and wrap it around your hand however you like. I just like to kind of do it like that. And then I'm going to go in to the circle, pull some yarn through, wrap once more around, and pull through everything on your hook. Just like that. Again, go back in, wrap some yarn around, pull back up, one more wrap around of yarn, and pull through everything. Typically, you do 6 stitches around in a magic ring, so just do 6 stitches. And just keep repeating that thing where you go under, grab some yarn. Oops. Grab some yarn, yarn over again, and pull through. Once you have enough stitches, you're going to just take that tail and pull tight, and it should come together as your little ring. Just like that, and you can see the stitches come around, and you can just pull super tight. And then you can just continue going around with your rows. So basically, crocheting when you're going around in rows is just the same thing like loomigurumi, except with one piece of yarn, and all the stitches are basically the same. So you can go in, do increases, decreases, basically the same way that you do on your loomigurumi creations, and that's pretty self-explanatory. You can go look at other tutorials on how to do stitches for the magic ring and other stuff like that, but now I'm going to be showing you how to do a chain and then stitches for when you're making like a scarf or like a blanket or anything else like that. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and now I'm going to be showing you how to do make some chains and how to do some of the basic stitches for crochet. So you're going to make an X again, just like this. Then you're going to take your hook, go under that first piece of yarn like before, and pull through this piece. Then you're just going to pull through with these two pieces of yarn at the bottom and make them so that they fit around the hook. Hold on. Okay. So just like that. Now to make the chain, you're going to wrap over with this piece of yarn. And I'll show you that again. Hold on. So you're going to wrap over and just pull through this loop. And you're going to do that several times until you have the amount of chains you want. So, for example, you want to do maybe 10 or something. Sorry, my yarn keeps falling off into little pieces. This is very annoying. But you want to do 10 chains or whatever. So now you pretend I have 10 chains. So now you're going to go, typically you'd go one stitch away from this around your hook. So you're going to go into here. And a single crochet just goes where you wrap over some yarn, pull it through, wrap over once more, and pull through everything. And that's a single crochet. Again, go into the stitch, wrap some yarn over, pull through, wrap over again, and pull through these back two loops. That was just 2 single crochets. Now I'm going to be showing you how to do a double crochet. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. You're going to wrap some yarn over before you go into the stitch, then go in, take some more yarn and bring it back through the stitch or the chain, wrap once more, and pull through everything on your hook. So again, wrap once on your hook, go into the chain or stitch, wrap over again some yarn, pull through, back, and wrap over again, and pull through all those back 3 loops on your hook. So that was 2 single crochets and 2 double crochets. And those are the stitches that I just wanted to show you guys how to do today. Those are the pretty basic stitches. Those are the stitches that you're going to be doing with most of the beginner crochet things that you see for tutorials for, or amigurumi tutorials for. But yeah, I do hope these did help you with starting off with crochet. And if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, well, comment down below if you want to have some more help with some of the stitches. And yeah, so I do hope that helped you. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video and you know, comment what you want to see next. I have been having some issues with the comments being disabled for some reason on their own, so that's kind of weird, but yeah, anyway, thank you guys for all the support. I do truly appreciate every single one of you, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, also, happy early Halloween. I don't know if I'll be posting a tutorial before Halloween or not, but if I do, I'll say happy Halloween there, but happy Halloween. So yeah, now officially, bye.